We believe every child has a right to learn. We're dedicated to ensuring that the last 1 in 10 children in the world who are still denied access to primary school get the chance to catch up and thrive.
The Luminous program, also known as Second Chance, teaches students to read and do math through a joyful, activity-based curriculum, enabling them to catch up on 3 grades of learning in less than 1 year.
90% of the children who start the Luminos program successfully transition to mainstream government school. But the impact doesn't end there. We know from long-term evaluation studies that graduates of our program are ultimately happier and more successful in the classroom, and long-term have higher ambitions for the future.
Luminous works with governments, advising on curriculum development, strategies, and national education policy. This enables Luminous to drive forward systemic change and to ensure that out-of-school children remain a priority for national education planning.
We are motivated by the conviction that an educated and entrepreneurial person transforms and generates development. Looker Foundation focuses on helping people and communities to develop their potential and learn to be what they are capable of being.
Let's All Learn to Read is the Luker Foundation's flagship program to improve literacy on elementary school level. The program includes face-to-face and high-impact strategies, such as training and support for teachers, classroom management, and the phonetic method. The design and provision of fun learning materials help children to improve their reading and socio-emotional skills. It started in Colombia's mid-sized city of Manizales and is now a public policy in Colombia and Panama, benefiting more than 700,000 children. And the aim is to reach all Latin American countries. In March 2020, when schools around the world shut down in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, an already tenuous learning crisis got out of hand.
Many of our country partners and governments really wanted to see a program that actually worked and could also provide a solution to the learning crisis.
Connected, a remote numeracy intervention, uses mobile phones as a platform for educational support. Using simple phone calls and one-way text messages, teachers are able to reach households with impactful tutorials to improve learning.
And we needed a quick answer. Does this work? The thing that made this possible is we collected data on a monthly cycle, and so real time we could see if it was working. And so within months we saw it was working, and then we knew it was time to really start scaling this up and getting it to more people.
Youth Impact's initial Botswana study attested the program to be extremely effective, yielding about a year of high-quality instruction per $100. Indeed, one of the most cost-effective programs pre-COVID as well as during COVID. Quality education at scale is the way forward to help the next generation of students thrive. For their best practices in education, the Luminos Fund, Luker Foundation, and Youth Impact each receive a 2022 Klaus J. Jacobs Best Practice Prize.